Hello, my name is Judy Jenkins. I work with facility maintenance. I take care of the transit centers. I've been here for almost a year. Prior to that, I worked for BFP as a temporary for about two and a half years. Well, I start work at 7:30, but I'm usually there about 7:05. Visit with Matt for a while and figure out what my day is going to be like and what transit center I'm going to go to first. People, of course. And it's fun. We meet in the mornings and talk about things that are going on, and everybody's in such a good mood and always laughing.
I have a vote for Employee of the Year right here. Right here.
Thank you.
She goes above and beyond. She is amazing.
Well, it's easy to do for you guys. I've gotten rather attached to you. And I guess for me, I like it when I come in and it's a real mess and I leave and it looks so nice. It's rewarding is what it is, and I know people appreciate it. So I guess I would say that's my favorite part of my job.